What's up, everybody? Welcome to Sketchy Jeeps. Today we're going to be doing a review and install of the CAVFAB JKU rear bumper delete kit. Stay tuned. Alright. You may be asking yourself, why would you want to ditch your spare tire, your bumper, and your tire carrier? Well, the biggest thing I can say is departure angle and weight savings. Got some clips here of why the departure angle of the tire carrier and bumper combo that we had before just wasn't working. Bumper. So the rear bumper fascia is what CAVFAB calls the kit, and essentially it's a fascia piece that goes across the rear cross member of the Jeep and kind of tightens everything up, makes it look a little bit better. But it also gives you the 3/4 inch D-ring mounts that bolt to the frame, which is super important for off-road. The kit's actually pretty beefy. It's made out of 3/16 plate, and the D-ring mounts are 3/4 inch steel, so by the time you bolt it up, it's actually about an inch thick where the D-rings bolt up, so it should hold up to just about anything you're going to throw at it. So the bumper is about $265 ordered from CAVFAB, and that's shipped to the house, which I thought was pretty fair considering just some of the other companies' D-ring mounts were anywhere from $115 to $180. So this is how we work in the professional paint booth setting. We have a backyard bucket. So, comes bare metal, so we are going to remedy that. Give it a little bit of paint. Okay, so we got it all painted up. Yep, looks pretty good. Wanted to go with a two-tone look, so picked a little silver, switch it up a little bit. And let's go ahead and throw it on. See, it's pretty easy. You can do it one-handed. Alright, so that's pretty cool looking, but I still need to put a receiver hitch on. That's where the poison frog comes in. So this is a factory style receiver hitch, got off of Amazon by a company called Poison Frog, which I think the name is hilarious, so I'm gonna be honest with you, that's part of the reason that I bought it. But surprisingly enough, it's decent quality, made in China, just about everything is. About 40 bucks on Amazon. Not a bad deal, and I do believe it is going to fit perfectly with the CAVFAB bumper. So let's give it a shot. The hitch fits pretty nicely with the bumper, so let's go ahead and see if we can finish it up. The CAVFAB bumper comes with these pretty beefy 3/4 inch thick D-ring mounts, and they just bolt straight in there to the side of the frame, between the frame rail and the bumper cover. The frame rail cover gives you a place to keep your recovery points, which I think is pretty cool. is all finished up. Got the CAVFAB bumper delete system on here. Got our receiver hitch, got some D-ring mounts. All in all, we actually saved about 250 pounds. All right, so I hope you enjoyed getting a little bit better look at the CAVFAB bumper system here. And if you enjoyed the video, why don't you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.